Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a landscape poster in Canva. I'm just going to select this first and let's go back to the home page. Then go to templates and you're just going to type in the word poster. I already did so. I'm just selecting it. Go to all filters, scroll down and select show more under format. Select this one. And I'm also going to select that one and I'm going to select apply. And it's going to show me a lot of these like posters that I can edit. So I'm just going to select one like this one, how to brush your teeth, and I'm going to select customize this template. Here you can change the colors of the background, as you can see here. And you can change the text colors, the other colors that you want, and you can also change the font. As you can see here, you can change the font to this one, and I'm going to also change this one to just make it more creative, look more creative. I guess it's already creative, but I like bubble text for like these kind of posters. You can adjust the size of the text here. And you can also like change the icons as well if you like to. And that is it. That's how you can create a landscape poster. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.